Oh, Easy Rider, been a while, my friend. Sound like you got that old 18-wheeler moving across the country. Hey, Easy Rider, good afternoon.
Howdy, 51 Virginia. Good afternoon, right back. Have a good day.
When I keyed the mic, I did hear something.
All right, Easy Rider, pleasure on this end. Hey, be careful out there while you're rolling them old big wheels there, my friend. Easy Rider and them big 18 wheels of steel. Catch you a little later, my friend.
The Copperhead back to you. 18 wheels, Johnny, Easy Rider. Johnny Wings. I did hear you coming back, but I still couldn't catch who it was. The channel got real heavy at that time there. Let's try one more time. That's the old Copperhead around Pismo Beach. Call him one more time.
The Copperhead, get off there before somebody steps on your head. Copperhead, Copperhead, Copperhead. Johnny, 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 Johnny. The Copperhead of Johnny Waving. Don't get away there.
That's right.
I just want to say, real quick, sounded good real good there, 747. I'll get out of the way. 333 around the border.
Thank you very much for the scout says, Jan.
I got that 333. Oh, Johnny, Johnny, Johnny. Back the bush. Yeah, I'll get Saturday afternoon, 747. I can get out of here, get out of the way. 333 gone.
Hey, good afternoon, 333, 51 Virginia.
How about 747 T-Bird? 747 T-Bird. 747 T-Bird. How about that? 747 T-Bird. 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 San Diego. We're trying. Break, break, break.
Sound good out there, T-Bird, 51 Virginia.
Get out of here and get out of the way. Sound all good around the southwest corner. 333 around the border.
Yeah, right.
Hey, good evening, 333, 51 Virginia.
Ground plane on 100 watts. Copperhead, close to Cal around Pismo Beach. We're on the side. You guys have a good afternoon. I'm out. I did get your final there. I did get your sign off there, 413 in New York. I have a good afternoon. It was San Diego. That's where I'm at. 747. I said 815 is cruising the streets of San Diego. Waiting in. 321 in Alabama. Hello, 321 in Alabama. Copperhead, back to you.
Giving out 80% chance you see.
Now, here's what happened, man. A couple hours ago, they quit and then started up again. 51 Virginia T-Bird. Hey, 51 Virginia T-Bird, we ran.
Oh, T-Bird, yeah, sounded good there, T-Bird. We tried a little earlier, but it was too busy. But hey, T-Bird, 51 Virginia, said hello out there.
How about 51? Hey, 51, you sound good. Around the band. How about 51 Virginia T-Bird? What, Virginia?
T-Bird, you have a great evening there. Pleasure on this end. Hey, T-Bird, we'll catch you a little later. Have a great afternoon out there, 5-1.
All right, 51 Virginia, you're still 5-1. 51 Virginia, you're still 5-1. There tomorrow, the T-Bird, San Diego, back to my nest listening.
I believe I heard Pirate out there. Is that you coming there, Pirate, 51? Yeah, that's my friend Pirate. Hey, Pirate, good evening to you, 51.
Good evening there, Charlie. Catching in between. between all the trains out there. You have a good day.
Hey, same your way, Pirate. Always good to hear you. Hope you're having a great evening out there, my friend. Yeah, it's very busy in there. They all kind of woke up at once. Hey, Pirate, have a great evening. 5-1. Catch you a little later.